see what he has in store for us tonight.
사실 알고 있잖아 아무렇지 않게 수근대는 말뿐인 걸 베이길 바라는
And his opponent from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, weighing in at 272 pounds,
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good.
He's looking prepared, looking hungry. That's what you like to see in a competitor.
Shine like a star in my new city. 어디서든 밝게 빛날 수 있게. Feeling my city with you are on color. 우리만의 빛나는 세계지대 나를 보여줄게.
This superstar is coming in with a lot of enthusiasm and energy right now.
But what's going to happen when the excitement wears off and he comes to realize he's in a fight against someone looking to take his head off?
All I can say is we've seen adrenaline take this superstar very far in the past.
Also in the ring, though, is a man you cannot take lightly. Sure, he talks, but he can also definitely walk the walk. Then he'll walk all over you if you are not careful.
Down for the pin, forces the shoulder up.
Only getting the one count there.
Pinpointing the leg.
Ooh, clearly had a strategy going on there with the attention on the leg.
Getting muscled up for a vertical suplex. Oh, nimbly landing behind and taking out the knee. He's able to sidestep out of that. Oh, big time clothesline, man. Ooh. 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 Oof.
Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming.
Gets out of dodge.
And gets tossed back into the mat.
Just a battering strike.
Oh, what a clubbing blow.
And he evades sudden, swift, and brutal impact.
This is just brute power. What a German suplex.
Going for the cover here.
Big kick out.
And frustration might be starting to set in.
Got out of the way of that one.
Tagged with a punch.
Boom.
Oh dear, this doesn't look good.
Alley-oop. Into the pin. Can he get him here? No, he bites the shoulder before 3.
The end was in sight.
Well-executed suplex. Turns it around.
Impressive awareness from him.
He's starting to feel the effects of this attack. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being... And he very quickly counters. Quick thinking to unleash the clothesline. Oh, what a knee strike. What are they doing here?
Making the arm numb makes your opponent very vulnerable.
Hitting hard with a leg drop.
Now with the cover.
That's gotta be it.
Oh, this one ain't over yet. Able to slip out of that situation.
Oh, double knee.
It looks like he could get it done here.
Kicks out. He still has life.
He may not have too much left, but at least he had enough to kick out there.
It knew what was coming. Oh, he could be looking for a submission here.
Saved by the ropes this time.
He's realizing there's an opportunity here. A quick reversal into the arm drag. And able to skirt around that attack. Wants to finish this. Oof! Finds a straight shot to the gut to get out of trouble.
He's absorbing a lot of damage here.
Physical exhaustion, mental exhaustion.
Knee strike.
Oh yes, he's looking to slam the door shut on this match.
Wow, just barely making it out.
So much for that being the finishing blow. What is it gonna take to keep this superstar down and out?
And there needs to be a refocus now. That was the moment that could have ended things, a moment that's being replayed in their heads right now. So well matched, these men aren't giving up any ground.
Showing their strength of will, their refusal to back down. What's he concocting? Down by the DDT.
Just welting the back with those laces.
He counters with a great reversal.
Managed to get out of harm's way.
What a counter! Neck breaker!
Driving the knee into the head.
And he continues to carry on through the pain.
He's gonna fight until his last breath. And perhaps his opponent's last breath as well.
Reversal! And that turns things around.
He's in a bad place. This is where it could all end for him.
And he's basically defenseless right now.
Oh yeah, this man thought he wanted to fight. Well, now he's getting all of it.
Carefully, measured knee drop.
Slam down hard.
That offense will definitely knock the wind out of him.
He gets back into the ring. Buster! Is victory close? This could be it. Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed. Perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner,
And getting the win, but you can visibly see the damage that was done tonight.
I don't know if I'd say the battle scars were worth it, Cole, but I will say the one who did it to them isn't the one celebrating right now.